Hi everyone, Kuri here, and today is day 26 of the Abundance Challenge. So from now, go to either day 6 or day 16 and write down the affirmation that was on those pages. That's the affirmation we're going to be using today. And then take 15 minutes and go into meditation and write down in your journal after your meditation is done any thoughts, impressions, visions, things that you hear, either for external sources or internally, whatever you hear, write them down. And also write down anything that you wish and desire and hope for, because if we write that down, that will actually manifest the energy even more. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I was going to read some emails as promised, but yesterday I was having some technical difficulties with my computer and the sound, so I wasn't able to tell you a story of abundance yesterday that had happened to me. So I wanted to relay that message to you today. So yesterday, I woke up very early in the morning and I did all my laundry, and I was actually done by about 10 o'clock. And my husband was awake, so we decided to, go out and spend some time with each other before he had to go to work. So we went to a type of casino parlor here in Japan. And with this story, I'm not advocating that you go gamble, because it's not a good way to get abundance. It's a good way to just, spend some time and have some fun. And if you win, hey, good. If you don't, well, you're just there for fun. But anyway, so we were going to kill time, and we did a lower rate of this type of machine, and it's called a pachinko machine. And I'll explain what that is in a minute. But just like in America, or probably all over the world, there are different rates where you can play. For example, if you know anything about like the slot machines or something, I guess you can do like $10, 5 cent, 1 cent slot machines, that type of thing. So we did almost like the equivalent to 5 cents for a whole bunch of these little tiny balls. So let me explain what pachinko is. So it's this big machine that you sit in front of, and there's a little handle on the side, or a little turn crank, and you turn ever so slightly just to put pressure on it, and air pressure shoots up from the other side of the machine, these little tiny balls, and they just come simultaneously, and then they bounce off little pegs that are inside the machine, and the object is to get these balls to bounce off the pegs and go into a little hole in the middle of the machine down towards the bottom. And if a ball drops into that hole, what happens is the rail, which is almost like a slot machine where you have the 777 or cherry, whatever they are, the rail will spin, and it's all digital, so it's pretty cool. But the rail spins, and if you get all 3 numbers the same, or all 3 characters the same, depending upon what machine you're using, you get a bonus. And there's 2 types of bonuses. There's a regular bonus that will give you 4 rounds, and it will shoot out from the bottom of the machine into a bucket a whole bunch of these little tiny balls. If you get a big bonus, it'll shoot out, you'll have 16 rounds, and it'll shoot out like a big basket of these balls. Your basket will fill up with the balls. Now remember, each ball is worth the equivalent to like 5 cents. So yesterday we went to this parlor, and my husband was playing a very famous game that we both love called Fist of the North Star, also known in Japanese as Hokuto no Ken. And I wanted to sit next to him, so I played this machine I've never even heard before. It didn't look very interesting, but I said, I've got some credits on my card, so I'll just, do a little bit, just so I can be next to him. And somebody before me had played, and they made the reel turn 20 times. And then I guess they just said, I'm not going to get a bonus, and they walked in, they got up and left. So I put in about $1 worth of money to get a whole bunch of these little balls to play. And after that, I was just like, I'm not going to win. It's just, maybe I'll stop. And then all of a sudden, I had 2 voices inside my head. I had one voice that was saying, just put 50 cents more in, and, you'll be successful, and you'll win, and you'll get a bonus. And then the other voice in my head was saying, you're not going to win, you have no chance, you can't do it, you shouldn't, you're not good enough to win. Very harsh words. So right away, I knew that the nice words that were coming to me were coming from a different source, a higher source, or my inner self, God or the angels. And then the harsh words that were coming to me were from my ego, telling me that I can't do it and trying to put me down. So I decided to go with the nice, soft voices. And I put in 50 more cents, and before I even got to 50, at 44 times for the rail to go around, I all of a sudden just got this bonus. And it was the big bonus, so I got 16 rounds of these balls that were coming out at me to fill one box, which is the equivalent to maybe about 20 bucks, or more than 20 bucks. But they continued. The bonuses kept on continuing, and I got a total of 18 bonuses, and 16 of them were the big bonuses, and then the rest of the time it was the regular bonuses. So me spending the equivalent to $150 yen, $1.50 in American. So me spending the equivalent to $1.50, I actually won a total of $240 yesterday. So I was just like completely shocked. But the reason why I wanted to tell you this story is, again, not to say go out and gamble, but I wanted to tell you the story because I wanted to emphasize about the conflict that we might have within ourselves with voices. Our ego is always telling us that we can't do things or that we're not good enough, and we really need to quiet that voice. We need to just tell it to be quiet and start listening to the angelic voices, the celestial voices, our own gut feeling, because they will battle with each other. You will have your ego who's trying to constantly knock you down, constantly push you back, and block the energy that wants to come to you. And then you have this other voice, whether it be your one self, your gut feeling, God, the angels, gods, goddesses, whatever you believe. You have them encouraging you and saying, well, try this, do it this way, don't give up, you can do it. And you really need to start listening to that voice, because then you're opening the doors of that abundance and the energy to come and the flow with you. So that's why I wanted to share that story, especially too since on the Monday, I think it was, yesterday, the day before yesterday, sorry, I'm all confused with my dates, we had used that, I had used that setup with the cards, and the cards had said, you know, listen to the voices, see the visions that, you know, are being shown to you, and remember that you can do it, and that you have this love and light in you, and you have this really nice abundant energy that flows within you, and it flows throughout the whole entire universe. So just open your arms and accept all of these gifts. So that is why I wanted to tell you this story. So I hope this video finds everyone well. I send you lots of love, light, and lots of abundant energy. I will see you tomorrow for day 27 of the Abundance Challenge. Namaste.